Hi guys, Riders of Bridgwater here with a 2007 Harley-Davidson Street Rod. It's one of the three of the V rods that they made. This one has only done less than 7,000 miles, so it's in absolutely pristine condition. I mean, it really is. If I can get right in here, you can see really clean. One of the best examples I've seen in a long time. So this is a Porsche design and developed engine, which isn't something most people know when they think of Harley-Davidson. It's actually turbine smooth and the fastest of the Harleys that they made. It's liquid cooled. So we just started up, so hear what it sounds like. Okay, thanks for watching. If you want more information, click on the link below and it'll take you to the website where you find more pictures of this bike. Thank you.